Our brother be under my comment section even maka spirituality and science and technology. No, for the level also they pray. If you like, don't take your spiritual life serious. When see one more, since you have taken it serious, have you challenged Fulani hɛrdsmến? Or when see Fulani is a physical challenge. Challenge is not spiritual. Hey, achọrọ m ịjụ unu, achọrọ m ịjụ gị, kedu ihe dị n'ife a spirituality na-emere gị? I want to know. Apart from meditation, onwere any other thing. Ịghọtago? Onye na-agwa gị datin ijere na mmiri n'ikporo hold ijere na supermarket, shop mmanya niile na ebe a ma Fanta ma Coke ma biskit ma ihe ọtọ bịrịbịrị jekwanye ihe na mmiri. N'ọnyanwa bụ spirituality na o nwere ife ọ na-arụ na ndụ gị. The person is just deceiving you because ndị genere n'ife a bụ ebe iji eme shopping na the eze nwanyị or the native doctor ga-alụlụ gị dị ọrụ. Apart from that, ịgba aka ana because o nwere ife a na-adị na ndụ onye na that is a fact. Ihe a na-agwa bụ eziokwu but ọ ya afịa gị alụ ịghọta. The only spiritual practice you agwa nkịta na-ege gị ntị bụ na ị na-ekwu okwu, you meditate, you are in silent hour, you know, asking yourself a question, relax your mind, calm your spirit. Do you understand what I'm saying? Apart from that, you want any other spirituality now, because when you stay quiet in a quiet place, you will be having inspiration. You know, a lot of ideas will be coming inside you. And that moment, you need to lead them about jota or diary. Do you understand what I'm saying? Apart from that, you want any other spiritual thing add any value to your life. Because that spiritual power will not help you when reality comes. If the comment of this our brother, now Fulani hɛrdsmến or reality, physical thing. So therefore, that spiritual power ain't anything to do with reality. Because once reality that is spiritual power in a crème will exist, will vanish, will disappear. It's like now. We need to practice spirituality. Man, a friend hɛrdsmến is up on a village, going over our wall also. So what is the essence of you claiming there is power? You know? Man, I'm not going this, you know, they work it out now, a lot of person. Upon the science and technology, you know that table. Maputana is you until you check one day. Now, but the reality of life, face yet in see it, we shall fear. No more any spirit in anywhere, Gazobi.